it's beating. Look at the heart.
It is beating, isn't it? Yep, he's still twitching. Was it a boy or a girl, dude? I ain't asking him anything with that knife in his hands. So, which pile do you eat and which pile do you not? You know what I mean?
You want to eat the head, dude?
I'm gonna eat whatever he tells me to eat.
You want to ask to eat the head?
No, because if you're not supposed to eat it, the joint's
so
poison
cute,
or something.
Intestines and shit.
It is cute. It's like an episode of Sesame Street.
Yo, is this like blowfish or something? You gotta like take out the...
Maybe there are parts of it that are, yeah, not good for you. I don't know.
Probably. That shit doesn't look so good.
It's new territory for me, homie.
Yeah, I think it has a chicken. It's a boy. It was a boy.
Yeah?
Here's his head. You wanna fucking...
Yeah. There's his head.
Guy.
Don't taunt him. He's a stone cold killer.